I've been using this 2000p RBM1550 from Reboot for quite a while. I love this little thing. I was looking for something where I could do flux core without having such a large machine. You can see this 1550 is much smaller just in size. It is 220 only. Most of the work I'm doing is smaller than 1/4 inch, so this is ideal. Actually, it's packaged pretty well. Only this had a little damage, but it looks like this foam did its job, preventing any damage. Can you get that out of there? Alright, you ready? I'm going to lift this out, and can you slide that box? Slide it away from me. That works too. Wow, I don't see any damage. It's pretty slick. Oh, that is cool. That is very cool. It's magnetic. Look at that. If you don't know how to hook up your machine, it tells you right there. Oh, good job. Can you open it? Show me. Oh, very nice. Alright, keep your fingers clear and close it up. Let's see the front of the machine here. Where do you think that goes? Hey, look, there's little dials and knobs you can... Not in there. Not in there. Over here. Yeah. There's only one way it goes in. Do you see the little notch on there? You have to line it up with the notch. We're going to try this other box here. Alright, I'm going to set this aside for a second. And this is the box that had a little bit of damage right there. Right there. Alright, thank you. Alright, what's in here? Careful with your... Oh. See, that's why you don't jab your knife in there, because you would cut into that torch. Alright, pull the box down. Oh, goodness. Alright. Everything looks good. So far, so good. Undamaged. What is that? Is that for your nose? Oh, they gave me a brush. Very good. Is that flux core wire or is that solid core? Oh, flux core. It's double-sided. And that looks like it's smooth bore, so that's for your solid core wire. Preloaded for flux core.